Now, after the landslide victory in Bihar, BJP-led NDA is brimmed with confidence for the upcoming assembly polls in West Bengal, one of the fortresses BJP could not breach yet. From his Bihar victory speech, PM Modi has given direct hint of his mission Bengal, saying that the Ganga flows into Bengal via Bihar. On the other hand, the India bloc is in tatters after the Bihar loss. Atop of that, it's important to understand that as per sources, now the TMC and Congress are fighting out in the open in Bengal. Now, according to sources inside the TMC, Mamata Banerjee's party sees no reason to engage in any seat-sharing arrangement with the Congress. It has also been asserted that electoral partnership with the Congress in West Bengal is not possible. Meanwhile, an open war of words has broken out between the state leadership of the TMC and Congress. Now, TMC's Kunal Ghosh has batted for Mamata Banerjee to lead the opposition front, saying that only she can stop the BJP. But the Congress has hit back sharply, with Suman Roy Chaudhary stating that the Congress will go solo in Bengal. Listen into the reactions coming in on this.
इंडिया अलायंस है तो कांग्रेस को तो दोबारा सोचना चाहिए क्योंकि कांग्रेस तो कंटिन्यूअसली फेल कर रहा है। महाराष्ट्र, दिल्ली, यहाँ वहां फिर बिहार, जहां पर कांग्रेस के ऊपर भाजपा को रोकने का रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, वहां कांग्रेस फेल कर रहा है। और लगातार जो सक्सेसफुल हो रहा है वो बंगाल में ममता दीदी सक्सेसफुल हो रहा है। इंडिया लीडरशिप उसका हाथ में होना चाहिए। जो ये ट्रूथ है, ये कोई एक्सपेरिमेंट का बात नहीं है, ये पूरा साबित हो गया है। कौन भाजपा को हरा सकता है वो है ममता बनर्जी।
Of course, we will introspect. We do not need any advice from any Kunal Ghosh of any state regarding it. There are probabilities that some Trinamool Congress leaders have said that there is no question of alliance of the Congress party with the Trinamool Congress in West Bengal. I presume Trinamool has got frightened. The Indian National Congress will fight its battle alone. Any questions which arises from quote-unquote sources of different regional parties and especially the Trinamool Congress of West Bengal doesn't have any meaning for the Bengal Congress.
Well, on this, Union Minister and Bengal BJP leader Sukanta Majumdar has stated that the BJP is eyeing to win West Bengal elections this time. Listen in to what he had to say.
बंगाल की बारी है इस बार। सरकार यहाँ पे बननी है, मोदी जी की सरकार बननी है, क्योंकि हमेशा हम अंग बंग कलिंग बोलते हैं। कलिंग तो पहले ही हो गया था, इस बार अंग हो गया, रह गया बाकी बंग हो जाएगा, जनता अगर चाहे तो।